Hello guys, welcome back on my channel. Today we discuss unit number 3, chemical dynamics, activation energy. According to collision theory, only these chemical reactions in which the colliding molecules are associated with contain minimum energy called threshold energy. The excess energy that the reactant molecule require to reach the threshold energy barrier is known as activation energy. Now activation energy is equal to threshold energy minus energy possessed by rest molecule. This is the for all energies. This is energy. This is a concentration. This is a effect of catalyzed. Catalyzed is a substance that can increase the rate of reaction but which itself remain unchanged in amount of chemical composition or structure at the end of the reaction. When a catalyst is added, a new reaction pathway is generated with lower activation energy or lower energy barrier. For recommendation or activation energy almost zero. Activation energy is inversely proportional to the rate of reaction. Now we discuss Arrhenius equation. Arrhenius proposed the equation for calculating the energy of activation of a reaction having rate constant K and temperature T. K is equal to A into e की power minus EQ upon RT, where e की power something is exponential factor or Boltzmann factor. A is pre-exponential factor. This unit of A is joule per mole. The unit of A is similarly to unit of K and depends on the order of reaction. This is reaction and taking logarithmic. ऊपर वाला नीचे आएगा. Finally we get ln K is equal to ln A minus E upon RT. This is a graph between ln K versus 1 upon T, and this is a graph between ln K log K versus 1 upon T. This is slope is equal to EA upon 2.303 R. Now differentiating the equation with respect to t, and finally we get d ln k EA upon R into dt upon t square. Integrated this equation with limits k1 to k2 and t1 to t2, and finally we get ln k2 upon k1 is equal to EA upon R t2 minus t1 upon t1 into tt, t1 into t2. Arrhenius integrated equation. Now this is an example. Given that the ln k is equal to 5 minus 100 1000 upon T, if the value of R is 2 calorie per Kelvin mole, determine the value of EA in Kelvin per mole. Then finally this equation put the values, and finally EA is equal to 2 kilocalorie per mole. Thank you guys. Subscribe my channel that you get notified earlier. Press the like button and share with your friends.